Hi everyone! I'm going to show you how to make Peter Pan color patterns. Welcome back! My name is Jean and I'm helping fashion students who want to improve their pattern making skills. Do you want to make patterns with confidence? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss new lessons. Today we are going to make Peter Pan colors. You can see these Peter Pan colors everywhere, very often on girls' dresses or blouses. It looks very similar to convertible color on the front, but the difference between them is the amount of standing on the center back. So for the convertible color, you will see almost half of the color width is standing on the center back and folded down the rest of it. Peter Pan color, however, there's almost nothing standing on the center back. It's kind of flat on your shoulder. If you want to learn how to make convertible color patterns, I'll have the link at the end of this video. Let's draft Peter Pan color. To make Peter Pan color patterns, you need body patterns, front and back. I'm going to trace out my back body first. You just need the top parts of the body, a little bit of center back, neck, shoulder, and armhole a little bit. And then place your front body down. Make sure both HSP, high shoulder points, meet each other and hold the HSP in place. I'm going to swing the front body. If the shoulder points meet without overlap, this color will be 100% flat on your shoulder. Depending on the amount of overlap, there will be a little bit of color standing on the center back. So 1 inch overlap, 1.5 inches, 2 inches, 2.5 inches. The bigger the amount of overlap, the higher the amount of standing you will have on the center back. If the color standing is high, it means it's close to convertible color, right? Let's do 1 inch overlap. Trace out front body. You don't need extension, so make sure where the center front is. On top of this guideline, you can draw the color you want. Let's say I want a 2 inch width color. Mark 2 inches from the neck and connect them, so draw a line. You can shape the color front. When you make a shape, imagine the center front will be a mirror line when you wear. You can make pointed like this, rounded, or you might want to have something like this. Okay, we're done. Center back is a fold line. Don't forget to have a notch at HSP. I have a video for convertible color here if you want to watch, or here's a video on how to make shirt color. Have a great week, guys. See you next time. Bye.